Have you ever wondered or wished that you could add notes to companies in the screener for you to refer to later or even be able to search? Well, there's a very exciting feature that I know I'm going to use that I want to tell you about that we've just added to the screener. It's a notes function. If you look at the screener, you'll notice that on the left there are two icons that appeared recently. One is My Notes and one is My Alerts. I'll tell you about My Alerts in a separate video, but I'm going to cover Notes in this one. Notes is a text field that you've got available to add notes to a company. I've added a few notes already, so I'll just click on the My Notes icon and it'll call up a few notes. Here you can see I've added 4 notes already. You can sort them by name or by date that you entered them, the oldest to the newest, or let's just leave them by date. And if you click on a note, you can immediately go to the company's dashboard where you can see the note that you added, as well as all the normal information contained in the dashboard, momentum, the valuation. To edit a note, all you have to do is click on it and you can edit it. Click confirm for it to save. Or if you want to delete a note, just simply click on it, select the text with your mouse and delete it. I'm not going to delete it now because I want to keep the alert in place. And then just confirm and it'll save it, and then there won't be a note anymore. If you click back, you'll go back to the list of notes. If you want to add a note, you just have to find a company, because the field where you add notes to a company is in the company dashboard. So you have to find a company first. So let's say we're looking for Tesla, and we've loaded Tesla. If you click on Tesla, then just below the description field, you'll see there's a My Notes field. All you have to do is click and it'll open. It says expensive with a field, and you can type in whatever note you have. But so you can type in your note, click confirm, and it'll save the note. And another nifty feature is you can always find the note over here. You'll see there I entered the note for Tesla. Another interesting feature that our programmer added is if you load a watch list, I just created a watch list to show you, you'll see some companies, not all of them, have this little green block there. If you've called up a watch list before you've loaded it. And if you hold your mouse over the little green block, you'll see that the note appears in a little block and you can read it easily. Anyway, that's the note function. If you have any questions, as always, click the green block, need help, on our website anywhere, type in the question and we'll help you as soon as possible.